Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track order from AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and open My Orders section right here. So then you want to find order that you want to track and tap on it to open its details. And then you should find a button that says tracking. So now your screen should look approximately like this. This is tracking information page where basically you can see your estimate delivery time right here. Also you can see your carrier and your tracking number. And of course your shipping updates that are located right here. Also, if you don't want to use your AliExpress application, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this icon. It will just copy your tracking number for you, and later you don't need to manually enter it. And drop this number into universal tracking website. Like AliExpress suggests me that I use this website, 17track. It is called 17track website, or I personally more like this one, parcelapp.com. So here you can enter your tracking number, then tap this icon, and it will pull all information from all the courier systems, and you can see all the details about your shipping process. But do not panic if your tracking looks stuck, because AliExpress logistics are a little too slow to update, and it will refresh when your parcel will enter your country. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.